Hello, artists. Do you know what animal this is? Yes, it's a tiger. Strong, brave, and yet so cute, right? Today, we'll draw and learn amazing facts about this incredible animal together. Let's spell the word first. T-I-G-E-R. Are you ready? Let's start. Begin with some soft lines for the head. Make it round, with big bright eyes and a happy smile that will make our tiger look friendly. Add 2 round ears and a short snout. Now, let's sketch the body and that long curved tail. Don't forget the legs strong, but still cute and chubby. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. They have strong muscles, sharp eyes, and those beautiful orange coats with black stripes. Their stripes help them blend into the forest, and tall grass perfect camouflage when they hunt. While drawing, remember, every tiger's stripes are different. No 2 tigers are exactly the same. It's like their fingerprint. All right, our sketch looks great. Now, let's color our tiger. Start with yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Tigers are solitary hunters. They usually live and hunt alone, not in groups like lions. Each tiger has its own territory and marks it with scent or scratches on trees. Their roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away, a way to say, "This is my home." Long ago, tigers lived across Asia from the cold forests of Russia to the hot jungles of Indonesia. But today, only a few thousand tigers remain in the wild. They live mainly in India, Nepal, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and small parts of China and Russia. Then use orange for the body. O-R-A-N-G-E. A tiger's body is built for power and speed. Their strong back legs let them leap more than 10 meters in one jump. Their claws can retract, so they can move silently while stalking prey. Their long canine teeth, about 7 centimeters, can take down large animals like deer or buffalo. Tigers have excellent night vision, 6 times better than humans. They hunt mostly at night, moving quietly until they're close, then one fast attack. When they catch food, they often drag it to a safe spot and eat for several days. They eat mostly meat, deer, wild pigs, buffalo, cows, monkeys, and sometimes even fish. A big adult tiger can eat up to 40 kilograms of meat in one meal! Despite their power, tiger mothers are gentle and caring. They hide their cubs in safe places and feed them until they are strong enough to walk. Tiger cubs are born blind and open their eyes after 2 weeks. The mother teaches them how to stalk and hunt. When they reach about 2 years old, they start living on their own. For the stripes, let's use red, brown, R, E, D, B, R, O, W, N. Add a darker orange for the ears and tongue. And a little red for the nose. R, E, D. Once we finish coloring, trace the outlines to make our drawing pop. Tigers are very important to nature. They keep the number of other animals balanced, helping forests stay healthy. If tigers disappear, herbivores will eat too many plants and the forest will slowly die. Sadly, tigers are endangered. In the last 100 years, over 90% of them have disappeared. There are only about 3,900 tigers left in the wild. The biggest threats are habitat loss, hunting, and conflicts with humans. But there is hope. Many groups like WWF are working hard to protect tigers, creating safe reserves, banning poaching, and educating people to care for nature. Here are some fun tiger facts. Tigers can swim and love the water. Each tiger's stripe pattern is unique. Their stripes are on their skin too, not just their fur. They can run up to 60 kilometers per hour. And they can walk silently, you wouldn't hear them coming. Great job! Our tiger looks strong, friendly, and full of life. Through this drawing, we not only learned how to sketch and color, but also discovered how amazing tigers are. Now, let's play a quick game. Can you spot which tiger looks different in this picture? Yes, the one with its tail raised higher than the others. He must be proud that we drew him so beautifully. Remember, every time you draw an animal, you help keep its spirit alive in our hearts. If you enjoyed this and want to draw more animals like lions, elephants, monkeys, or peacocks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cute Sketch. Let's keep drawing, learning, and exploring together. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next drawing adventure.